Hello, this is Heather from Twist My Stitch. Thank you for joining me for this tutorial. Before we get started, if you have any video requests, send me an email to heather@twistmystitch.com. You can also find my social media links in the description below. Please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and click on that bell to get notified of future videos. Thank you for watching, and now go twist my stitch. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to work the Tunisian crochet purl stitch. I have already done my setup row, the first chain, and then the first return pass. If you need information on how to work that, see the linked tutorial there. So for our Tunisian crochet purl stitch, we're gonna skip this and we're gonna be working into these vertical bars across here, just like the simple stitch, but it's worked a little bit differently. We're gonna do yarn in front. I find it easiest to just go ahead and take my hook and go behind my yarn, and then I drop down and grab that vertical bar. Then you're going to yarn under your hook, then yarn over the hook. Pull the loop. Yarn in front, insert through the vertical bar, yarn under, then yarn over, pull through. Yarn in front, insert through the vertical bar, yarn under, and I'm grabbing that horizontal line that goes across the front of that stitch as I'm grabbing and pulling that through. I find that it's easiest to pull that through doing that. Go ahead and continue working that across the entire row. Now when we get to the last stitch, I don't have any other vertical bars here to pick up. So we're gonna work into the very last. We're gonna work into both of these loops of that very last stitch. So yarn in front and work into 2 loops there. So there's an upside down V on this last stitch that we're working through. Yarn under, yarn over, pull through. Now our return pass is going to be the same as the Tunisian simple stitch. You're going to chain 1, then yarn over, pull through 2. Continue working that yarn over, pull through 2 until 1 loop remains on your hook. Continue working that Tunisian purl stitch until your desired length. It has a beautiful texture that looks similar to a knitted garter stitch. I think it's very, very beautiful. And that's all there is to the Tunisian purl stitch.